Welcome back, guys. Today's video will be a snapshot of live trading pound CHF. Also, I took another two positions on euro pound and euro USD. Out of the three positions, two were winning positions and one was a break-even position because I was not in front of the charts. If I was in front of the charts, it would been a winning position because there is something called minimum regret that I use when the price is approximately hitting the target but not yet reaching. So there is something called minimum regret. I trailed my stop loss. The idea behind it is that I don't regret my decision. Now, before we start the recap, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for live trading videos. And also, if you watch previous videos, I do weekly Forex analysis and forecast. I will keep the link up on the right above. Now, first, what I do is I go to the economic indicators. On Tuesday, we had at 9:30 inflation rate for the CHF. Since it was lower than expected, so it's not good for the CHF, so I need to buy pairs against the CHF, currencies against the CHF. Best pairs to buy are the Japanese yen, the pound, and the US dollar. So I buy USD CHF, I buy pound CHF, and I sell CHF JPY or I buy JPY CHF. And I picked the pound CHF because it was the cleanest for me on a higher time frame and on a lower time frame. This is the trade idea. Right here was news. We immediately pushed to the upside. Since we pushed to the upside, it's not a good area to buy from because we are overextended of the 100 and the 200 moving averages. What I saw a clean area right here as a support area for price to retrace, or even the fibs, so to this area, or even to the moving averages. So I'm very flexible with my technical, but the fundamentals are saying the sentiment, not the fundamentals. The sentiment after data came out is that price should move to the upside. What happened is we got retracement, then there was break of structure. This should have been my entry with a stop loss below this low or this low. But what happened is that I wasn't in front of the charts. I saw this move to the downside, then break. And at the break, I entered because of spread. They got me in right here. This is my stop loss, and my target is fixed 1:2 risk to reward ratio. But when price hits my 1:1 risk to reward ratio, what I do is I move my stop loss to break even. And this was a winning trade. Then, coming into the economic calendar, we had inflation data and labor data on 12 p.m. local time, my time. What happened? I went to the euro pound and the euro USD. We will catch both trades. Right here. This is 12 p.m. my time. Data came out positive for the euro, plus the euro pound was overextended to the downside, so I anticipated move to the upside, and the sentiment played out. We will go next for the euro USD, but let's finish first this analysis. What happened? Data came out. We pushed to the downside first, and then we had break of structure right here, and I waited for retracement into this area because here I should have entered. What happened is that I did not enter here, so I waited for retracement into this area and I entered a long position with spread. I got filled right here, and my stop loss below this low. Fixed target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Price hit my 1 to 1. I moved my stop loss to break even and target got hit. Now, as you can see, we are in consolidation. Why this is happening? Because fundamentally, Euro Pound is bearish and not bullish. Even if Euro got some good news, but Euro Pound is still bearish. And as you can see now, it might keep playing out to the downside. But from a scalper position, the sentiment played out very well. It's a little bit riskier from the pound CHF trade because pound CHF is really fundamentally bullish and data came out negative for the CHF, so it was a good entry position. And also I should have entered the swing trade account, also a long position, but on another time frames, not the 1 minute and 5 minute. Now let's jump into the Euro USD trade that I took, also against the fundamentals but with the data. What happened is also we retraced to the downside, and after shift right here in market structure I entered. Okay, so shift, I entered. There is no huge spread on the Euro USD because it's highly liquid. What happened is we moved to the upside, and then right here, this is the 50 candle, so the new 5 minute candle, we made a low and then we broke. So what usually I would have done, because it's near the target, what I would have done is I would have moved my stop loss below this low to minimize the regret. What happened is I moved my stop loss to break even hit, and I regretted my decision. So if I trail my stop loss right there and it hits my stop loss and then continues to the upside, it has minimum regret than the break even decision. And this is how mathematically I influence my decisions on the charts. So this was a break-even trade, this was a winning trade, and the pound CHF was a winning trade also. When you want to scalp, you focus on economic calendar, you see the sentiment, and if it plays out with the fundamentals, you can keep the position running higher than expected. If it doesn't play out with the fundamentals, you can take a huge fast scalp, 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5. What I do is I risk a little bit more. I take 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, but at 1 to 1 I move my stop loss to break even. This is my strategy for scalping. That's it for today. Hopefully I will keep you with a small video of me live trading, and hopefully it was insightful and beneficial. Again, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for live trades like this, and also for weekly analysis as usual. Until the next video, stay safe.
Was it all in vain? My world revolved around you, now it's trapped inside the pain. Maybe I should stay in the dark after you had it to a place so far away. No,